Hello all. Blarg here. Twitter is once again taking itself too seriously. It seems Shane Dawson can't even retweet information that you'd find in your daily news feed. Shane posted about a potential issue with a certain airplane model, and then all hell broke loose, resulting in him deleting his original tweets. Let's take a look at what the fuss, or what should be lack thereof, was about. Well, what do you think? Were people overreacting? Or is it right to be more critical of larger influencers? Leave your comments below.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and follow us on Twitter to keep up to date on your favorite streamers. Blarg you later.